Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill and welcome to the 17th class of Microsoft Excel for beginners. In this tutorial, we're all going to learn about how to use freeze panes that is present inside a window group. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's try to make a small sort of table there. So I have typed some of the names. Let's try to type. So let's try to understand. Let me zoom it in a little bit. Well, let's try to fill color inside that. Let's try to come at the bottom. So now the moment I come at the bottom, you can see that this place is not showing there. Furthermore, if I come at the bottom, this place is not showing there. So this is not sure that this column is related to what subject, or this is related to what subject. So we need to be clear that it should be showing everywhere. So it should be showing anytime we want. For example, if I come at the bottom, so it should be showing there. It should be there at the top. So what I have to do, well, you can go at the top in order to be observing this place, but sometime it is time consuming. And second thing is that if you are having more of the names and more of the subjects, you cannot be able to be going at the top and coming down at the bottom. That must be time consuming. So what I have to recommend is to make sure to select this and go for freeze panes, go for freeze top row, click there. So anytime now you come at the bottom, and that is not the condition to go at the top or come at the bottom, because now it is freezed. So that is the benefit of using a freezing option. Let's try to understand furthermore about a new window. Let's try to go for new window, click on that. So now I have got a new window. Now these are multiple windows, and arrange all horizontal and vertical. If I may go for horizontal, click OK. Now you can see that I am having both of the windows horizontally. Let's try to go for vertical. Hit OK. Now you can see both of the windows are showing vertically. And this time let's try to go for split. Well, split is also some sort of helpful option sometimes, that if you are working over there, if you are working in this window, so now the second window is also edited. Mean to say, that is sort of option. If over here you want to zoom it in, you can work on it. Hide, if you want to hide any of the window, you can hide it. Let's try to go for unhide option. Now if you want to get rid of split option, click on that. Now split is removed and there is still another window there. So let's try to go and use a view side by side option. Click on that. Now see, it is also the same thing which I have taught you, something that was related to horizontal or vertical option. Let's try to go for resetting a window position. Click on that. It will be reset. And there is another option beside that, switch windows. Go for book 1 and that is the second window. Let's try to use the last option, macros, which I have also taught you in MS Word tutorials. So let's try to use that. What I have to recommend you is to click on that. Make sure to click on record macro, and you can also name that, like for example I'm naming that. Now you can see that recording is started. So now whatever you want to type, you can type that. Today is going to be a good day. Hit enter. So make sure to go for stop recording, stop the recording, and this time if you want to remove that, or if you want to type anything you want, for example something different than what you have recorded or than what you have typed in recording, make sure to go for macros, view macros, run that. So whatever you have recorded is coming there by using macros option. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.